You don't actually have lack of time. You lack the intention to use it. What does it mean? Everybody has the same 24 hours. Everybody's um, some of us, they have two jobs, they have family to take care of, they have a business on the side. Sila may oras pang gumawa ng negosyo. How come a person that only has a full-time job na walang pamilya, hindi kaya? Sabi niya, busy ako. So that means, um, you don't actually lack time, you know. Hindi mo pina-prioritize. You lack the intention of using that time, you know. Madami po, guys, we all have the same 24 hours. So we just have to use it wisely. Okay, sabi dito sa notes ko, most people react to their day instead of designing it. Let me talk about that. Parang kunyari, you do one thing, you spend more time reacting to what you did, the previous hour. What I mean by that, a good example, nagtrabaho ka, di ba? Nagtrabaho ka. So, uwi ka, upo ka, ay, pagod ako. You're just gonna watch TV. You're gonna watch TV for the longest time. Siguro, a good 6 hours. Nakaupo ka lang dyan. So, instead of doing that, have a time block. Sabihin mo, okay, when I get home, I'll eat dinner, drink my coffee, and then do the business for 2 to 3 hours. So you see the difference there. You were intentional, diba? You have you already plan your day. When you after work, you can run your business. You can study the business.